Hi, this is Tommy from Streamline Systems. Today we'll be showing you how to properly maintain your Smartank 650 window cleaning system. So first, use the included key to open the Smartank cabinet. Make sure the system is fully switched off. To replace your resin, remove the inlet and outlet hose from the DI filter and remove the filter from the bracket. Remove the DI filter head and safely dispose of the spent resin. Refill the DI filter to the filling line and reattach the filter riser and head. Secure the DI filter back onto the system, making sure the inlet and outlet ports are in the correct position. To replace your RO filter, remove the floor panels to expose the housing. Unscrew the brackets and disconnect the outlet and waste water hoses from the front of the filter and remove the inlet hose from the back. Lift and remove the membrane housing out of the system before disposing of any excess water inside. Using a ratchet and spanner, unscrew the bracket from the base of the housing and remove the cap. Use a flathead screwdriver to assist the removal if necessary. Remove the membrane from the filter housing and replace with the new one. Make sure the arrow on the filter is pointing in the direction of the outlet and wastewater ports. Reattach the cap until it is sealed tight. Reattach the brackets and connect the outlet, wastewater and inlet hoses to the correct ports. To change your Filter Plus pre-filter cartridges, identify the cartridges inside the Smartank cabinet. They will be in order from left to right of sediment filter cartridge, granular activated carbon filter and carbon block filter cartridge. Twist each cartridge clockwise to release. And screw in the new ones by twisting anti-clockwise. Make sure they are in the same order of sediment filter, granular activated carbon and carbon block.